Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding where Minecraft PE stores worlds. This is essential. Open Zarchiver and grant storage permission, then go straight to /games/com, Mojang/Minecraft Worlds, or the Android/data equivalent. You need to recognize the right folder, look for level name. TXT plus files like map0, dat and session. Lock. Once found, long press the folder to select it. This is the first actionable step toward a reliable backup. Make sure you pick the latest modified timestamp. Now you create a portable archive. Long press the selected world folder and choose Compress. Pick Zip for compatibility or 7Z if you want smaller files. Set compression level. Normal saves time, maximum reduces size but takes longer. Enter a clear name with a date. This helps version control and recovery later. Tap OK and monitor progress. If compression fails, free up space or try a different level. Once done, you'll have a single file that contains all world data and metadata. Finish by securing and testing the backup. Move the archive to an external SD card, USB OCK, or upload it to cloud storage. This prevents loss if the device fails. Make sure to verify. Extract the zip into a temporary folder and confirm level name. TXT and map files are present and intact. Once verified, you can delete extras locally. If something goes wrong, restore the latest verified archive, and if extraction errors appear, try a different compression format or recompress with lower settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.